What is your biggest paycheck that you've made?
Name your least favorite Indian influencer.
What is the most expensive thing you've ever bought?
Share your worst brand experience ever. I paid 9.5 lakhs for it.
The people there like organizing the event were shit.
In fact, if anybody wants boobs, please come and take. I'm willing to donate.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a very special guest with here for a collab. We have Anam with us. Hi Anam.
Hi, feels so good to be back on your channel.
I know, this time virtually, but we're gonna have to make do with what we have. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a truth or drink video. So I've been sitting on this idea for a while. I initially wanted to do it in person. Yes, we wanted to do it in person, but I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. So we're gonna have to do it virtually. So it sounds exactly, I mean, the name basically summarizes what we're about to do. We're gonna take turns and ask each other truth questions. And for example, if I don't wanna answer the truth question, I'm gonna have to take a shot. So I'm gonna take shots of vinegar, and I'm gonna take shots of coffee. You hate coffee, right?
Yeah, I hate black coffee, but I still have to say you are braver than me for doing this with vinegar. That would just be like...
No, I'm gonna try to answer all the questions. Because if I like have even like 3 shots of vinegar, it's not gonna be a great sight tomorrow. So we're gonna try to be honest today.
Can I put a little disclaimer for you?
Yeah, of course.
I wanna try and get you to drink as many shots as possible.
Oh my god.
I might have deliberately thrown in a couple of saucy questions just to get you to take
That's
some.
mean. I've made it like very mild.
This is because I didn't know you were taking vinegar. I honestly had no clue that you were drinking vinegar, but now my questions are ready.
Oh my god. Okay. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with like a very cute and like a mild one. I mean, all of my questions are mild, unfortunately. But the
मेरे भी
first one
उतने
is...
खराब नहीं है, promise.
Oh god. Okay, sure. I'll buy that for now. Okay. Tell me one thing that you don't like about me.
I don't like that you do press on nails. It's very bad for the cuticles. That's what I don't like about you. Yeah.
What? That doesn't even make sense.
It's very bad
That's
for
not
the
about
cuticles.
me. That's something I do.
No, but you wear press on nails. That's something you do, and it's not good for the cuticles. So that's...
Tell me something about my personality. I won't buy this answer. I need something else. Give me one thing that you don't like about me. Not what I do. Yeah.
But everything is you, what you do only. Okay, I'll tell you what I don't like about you. I don't like that you have an extremely messed up sleeping pattern, and that has resulted in a lot of ways. Your sleeping pattern in this lockdown has made an impression on my sleeping pattern. So I don't like that.
Okay, I'll take that. I know, I agree. Last night I slept to bhi thoda early. Last night I slept by 3, which is like still okay for me. Someone who sleeps at like 5 and like 4:30. 3 is still
I get
a little
messages
bit of
from
an
you at
improvement.
4:30. So I know that you sleep
I
very
get from
late.
you also, Anam.
That's what I'm saying. Even my sleep cycle is gone in this lockdown.
I know. Everyone.
Otherwise, I
has
would wake up at 6 in the morning, and now I'm going to sleep at 4:30.
sleep. Okay, your turn. Truth
So
or
should
drink?
I ask you
me.
mine? Yeah. If you had to pick between your YouTube channel and Simba lifestyle, which one would it be?
If I had to pick, no doubt I would pick my YouTube channel. That's very easy.
I had a feeling
It's
you
my
would
baby.
say
It's
that.
my first
See,
baby.
my questions are not
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Truth or drink? What is the most expensive thing you've ever bought? And you can't say your home, because I know you'll say your home, obviously. Something other
Dude,
than
that's
your
one of
home.
my questions to you.
Yeah?
That's on my list also. What is the most
Okay, then I'll
expensive
answer
thing
that
you've
next.
ever purchased? My most expensive thing that I've bought is my home, actually, but...
Yeah. I know, yeah. I mean, of course, but like something other than that.
I bought myself, diamond ring. I bought myself this diamond ring for my 25th birthday. This is one of the
You have
most
to give a prize.
expensive... I bought this in 2016. I think at that time I paid about 3-4 lakhs for it. I saved up for it for like many years beforehand, just before this sounds like, oh my god, she threw 3-4 lakhs on a ring. I kept like a birthday fund aside for a few years before, because like 25 is a milestone here. I think I paid around 3. I can't remember the exact figure now, but yeah, basically.
But that's so cute to have like a birthday fund. I think I'm gonna do that as well.
You should, especially for like milestone birthdays. I feel like you should know in advance what you want to gift yourself and then save for it accordingly. I do that.
That's nice, because I'm gonna turn 25 in 3 years, so I can start now.
Yes, you're so chotu.
Okay.
Like I'm turning 30 next year, and in like June 2021, inshallah. And I know I want to buy myself something very specific, so I'm gonna save.
Ooh, tell me what offline. I wanna know. So my most expensive purchase will have to be my car. Yeah, I mean, even though it is a second-hand car, I mean, cars are expensive. I think the car was. Do I need to give the price, or you're not asking, so I'm not gonna say it?
You should give the price.
I don't remember. I don't know the exact amount, but I think it was for 3 lakhs. It was a second-hand Honda Brio. So yeah, good deal.
Actually,
right?
That's a great deal. I actually, while you were saying that, I realized that maybe my car was also more expensive than my ring. So I
know.
I made a boo-boo. Yeah, my car. I bought my first car last year. So I guess that should have been the right answer.
I think that's a Honda as well, right?
Yes, I bought myself a Honda Jazz petrol. See, I'm trying to remember. Honda Jazz petrol automatic top model. And I paid 9.5 lakhs for it. Remember all the details.
But it's a beautiful car.
It's a nice chotu car. I used to drive my dad's old Honda Civic before. So this is the first time I actually bought myself my own car. And in my life, I think I've done everything in ulta order, where people buy like a first car before they get their house, and I've gone in some ridiculous order in my life.
Worked out for you, so.
Alhamdulillah.
Truth or drink? In this world of fillers and surgery and insecurities, is there something that you would do? So like, not just like fillers, I think you've spoken about fillers as well in the past, but if a surgery, like you didn't have to pay for it at all, what surgery would you get? You can talk about fillers as well, that's fine as well.
Whether I had to pay for it or not pay for it, I'm open to the idea of like Botox and fillers, or like a lip filler or something like that. I'm not saying I want to like right now, but I feel like maybe over the next 10-15 years, I'm 29 today, I never say never. I feel like my mom has, alhamdulillah, aged very gracefully, and my nani has too. But my genes are not necessarily completely theirs, obviously, right? Like I feel like a lot of my genes also come from my paternal side. So in case my genes don't work the same way, I might be open to it. But if I ever do, I will always be very transparent with my followers about it, because that's the only way I know how to be.
Yeah, of course, there's no reason to even hide it, you know, because you can see it.
Yeah.
But what is it? Like, give me like a name, like a surgery, like for example, a rhinoplasty or like a boob job, whatever.
What's a rhinoplasty?
Rhinoplasty is a nose job.
Okay. Boob job, definitely not. In fact, if anybody wants boobs, please come and take. I'm willing to donate. I've always been a big cup, so definitely not a boob job or even a nose job. I think I would consider getting like, you know, Shan, when we met the first ever day that you and I met at that Sophia event, Shan, the makeup artist, was telling me that I should consider getting, I think he said something about a certain kind of filler on the jaw, So that was really fascinating to hear about. It's not something I'm like, chalo karenge, because like I'm not one of the real housewives from Beverly Hills who's so accustomed to it. But it's something I'm open to. Like maybe at some point.
But I don't think you need jaw fillers at all. I mean, of course, if you want them, that's a different thing. But I don't think you need them. You have a pretty good jawline.
Oh, true.
I'm ready.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever done for someone you love? It could be family, parents, friend, anybody you love.
I don't know. I mean, give me an example. I'm so confused. Give me some context. Weirdest, like if somebody, if you had somebody had a chocolate craving at 4 a.m, you went, and this is a really bad example.
Just weird, something weird you do for someone you love, like something that they appreciate.
Weird. I feel like I'm a really good gift giver. Like I love giving gifts and I like love sending stuff to people. So I'm always that friend, you know, who's sending like random gifts to people and like random flowers to people. But that's not weird. That's just like something like people do, you know.
Okay, what's the best gift you've ever given someone according to you? Let me rephrase. Like I'm also like that. I can really.
A couple of years ago, a friend of mine, Aditya, I'm sure you guys know him, we threw him like a Harry Potter themed party. And we went all out. Like, I'm not even kidding. I have a video on that, by the way. I'll link it down below. We transformed my whole room into like Hogwarts, like literally. We had floating candles. We had the banners for all the houses. I made it all with like chart paper and stuff like that. Then we had like what is it called? Like the beer that they have at Hogwarts.
Butterbeer.
Some butterbeer, yeah. We had like the food. Then I made wands as well. I made outfits. Yeah, all of that. So I think it wasn't like a physical gift, but it was like a memory. Like it was an experience rather. So I think that was a pretty good gift.
That's awesome. Just so you know, I may turn 30 next year in June 17th, but I also
remember
love Harry
that.
Potter. Can you guys secretly send that link of that video to Jerry on the side? Like,
I'll do that for sure. Till date, what is your biggest paycheck that you've made so far?
So from a single collab, I think you might be
single collab nahi. Everything that you've made in a month.
No, you said paycheck.
Paycheck for the month. Biggest paycheck.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. I hate this. I thought I would answer everything. Oh God.
Yeah, I got you. I'm so happy.
Money is the one thing I just get so awkward talking about.
I know. Most people do.
It's probably not even that much. But
just go for it, Arab. Woo! I feel like you're gonna come for me now. Now that you've had your first coffee shot.
I already had a juicy one lined up for you. I told you that. So I'm gonna go with this. Truth or dare? No, what is it? Truth or drink? Name your least favorite Indian influencer. Just
okay, I'm definitely not gonna take names. That's for sure. But I'm just gonna like name a few things that these YouTubers do that makes me not like them. Okay, so first of all, people who make like, you know, in their thumbnails they have like a before and after picture wherein they're darker and then they turn whiter, like lighter, their skin turns lighter. That I hate. And the saddest thing about that, I mean about those channels, is that they have millions of subscribers, which is I've seen that way more than once. So that's a little bit sad because I mean we don't need any more people trying to tell us that white skin is beautiful, you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't like those channels for obvious reasons because they're racist, but I'm not gonna take names. So do I need to take a shot or did I like answer it?
Part of me is saying be nice. She's like your little sister. Don't make her take the shot. And then the other half of me is like, "Par naam nahi liya tumne."
I'll take half a shot. How's that? How does that
sound? Okay.
Okay. Oh God.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
What are you following it up with?
Chaser. It's just water.
What?
It's just
How
that
well
wasn't
thought
actually
out.
that bad. It was like khatta
Really?
and
Phir baki ka bhi
namak.
Baki ka bhi pee lo.
So I have this habit of like taking a nimbu and like putting it straight in my mouth and like squeezing out the lemon juice. So this isn't like, it's like okay, but it's like very salty. So yeah. So one last question for you. How many boyfriends have you had?
Two.
You
Jerry
sure?
was the third, no, actually. Yeah, Jerry was the third. Yeah, Jerry was the third boyfriend I had.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I remember I remember Anam
कोई
and
इतनी
I.
लंबी लिस्ट भी नहीं थी.
नहीं इतनी लंबी तो नहीं थी, but I remember one random night we were FaceTiming each other for like 6 or 7 hours, I remember, and at like 4 in the morning you were telling me your life story and everyone you've dated. Okay.
Which is how the story time thing came up from you.
Yeah.
You were the one who told me I need to do self-care Sunday more.
I know Anam has so many stories to share and they're really interesting. Some of them though, oh god, you could make a movie out of it. So she's gonna like start doing more story times, I hope. So go subscribe if you like chatty videos.
Let's just say that my fairly unfortunate love life before I met my husband makes for really juicy content.
It does, I agree.
6 in the morning. Share your worst brand experience ever.
So I'm not gonna name the brand because I love their products. I love the core team as well, but then the people who are present at the event, not so nice. Not so nice, not nice at all. So basically, I'm not actually even going to describe the event or anything because it's going to give a lot of things away.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
the people there like organizing the event were shit. They didn't know how to host people. I'm not saying that just because I'm an influencer or a social media person I need to be treated a certain way. Of course not, absolutely not. But I feel like there's a way of treating humans, like basic human manners, etiquettes. They didn't have that either. They didn't ask us to have lunch. They didn't ask us to have dinner. I mean, they just like made us work basically the whole time. And
I think I know about this one.
You
Is this
do,
the
you
same
do.
one we discussed?
Yeah, you do
okay.
know. You
Well,
know about this.
I know we're not naming brands over here, but I have also worked with that brand for a fair amount of time, and she's 100% right. Like it's not about special treatment; it's just about treating someone with respect.
Respect,
you know?
I know, right? That was so nice. The video flowed like water. That was amazing.
Like
And
vinegar.
such a great time. Like vinegar. Yes. Thank you for coming on my channel. It's such a pleasure. I can't wait to collab more. Next time in person, I hope.
Yes, I hope so too. Thank you for having me on your channel once again. I always have a lot of fun shooting with you, and even though we've both been like looking at each other and FaceTime
Yeah.
on the side, it's been fun. Thank you.
No problem. Bye guys. Don't forget to check out Anam's video. I'm gonna link it down below. Follow her on her Instagram. Follow her on her YouTube. I think that's about it. Follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.